Good morning students. In our last lecture we have discussed on triangles and we had seen what is the triangle, what is its types and some properties of the triangles also. First, angle sum property of triangles and second, exterior angle property of triangles. That is the next property that can be also written in the form of theorem, that when each sides, there are three sides in a triangle, each sides of any triangle are produced in an order, then clearly exterior angles are formed. Their sum will be equal to 360 degree. See here, this ABC is a triangle, and we have to produce its sides in an order. Means produce AB up to D, then BC up to E, then CA up to F. Okay? AB is produced, then BC is produced, then CA is produced. This is called as production of sides of triangle in an order. Then you can see exterior angles are formed. This one, that is CBD, this one, that is ACE, and this one, that is BAF. These three exterior angles so form. This statement said that their sum will be equal to 360 degree. Their sum will be equal to 3. When all the sides of a triangle are produced in an order, then sum of all exterior angles so formed is equal to 360 degree. Okay? I am going to prove this. What is given here? This ABC is a triangle and its sides AB, BC and CA respectively produced up to D, E and F. Then three exterior angles are formed: CBD, ACE and BAF. Question asked that prove that their sum is equal to 360 degree. Angle CBD this one, ACE this one and BAF this one. Their sum, the sum of these three is equal to 360 degree. We have to prove this. Okay? See, suppose this interior angles, this is angle 1, this is angle 2 and that one is angle 3. That is very easy proof. What is the exterior angle property of any triangle? When any sides of a triangle is produced, an exterior angle is formed, and that exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. See, when this side AB is produced, this exterior angle CBD is formed. By exterior angle property, it will be equal to this angle CBD will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3. Okay? And when side BC is produced, this angle AC is formed. By exterior angle property of triangle, this angle ACE is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. 1 plus angle 2. And when CA is produced, this angle is formed BAF. This exterior angle will be equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. All these are by exterior angle property of triangles. By exterior angle property of triangles. Okay? Now add these three. Add this one, left to left and right to right. So you see angle 1 plus angle 1, twice of angle 1. Angle 3 plus angle 3, twice of angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 2, twice of angle 2. Now you can see 2 is common in all. So 2 can be taken outside. What we have? 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Now see, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. That is equal to what? These are interior angles of the triangle. And angle sum property of triangle state that sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Clearly angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of angle sum property of triangles. Got it, everyone? So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. It will be replaced by 180 degree. So 180 into 2, that is 360 degree. Clearly sum of these three exterior angles so formed, that is equal to 360 degree. Listen carefully. This is a polygon having three sides. What is polygon? In junior classes you have read about polygons. A plane figure bounded by three or more line segments. When three line segments are uses, that is called triangle. 4, then quadrilateral. 5, then pentagon. 6, then hexagon. 7, then heptagon, and so on. Listen carefully, everyone. What is this property? When sides of triangle are produced in an order, then exterior angles are formed and their sum is equal to 360 degree. This is true for every polygons. Means if a polygon have any sides, when their sides are produced in an order, then exterior angles are formed and their sum will be equal to 360 degree. Means for the case of quadrilateral, for the case of pentagon, for the case of hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, decagon, no matter, if there is a polygon having 1 lakh sides, when their sides are produced in an order, then exterior angles form. This is a triangle. In this case, 3 exterior angles form. For quadrilateral, there will be 4 exterior angles. For pentagon, there will be 5 exterior angles. For a polygon having 1 lakh sides, have 1 lakh exterior angles. When we will add them, result will be always equal to 360 degree. Got it, everyone? Now I am going to solve an example which is given in your textbook NCERT. Very important example, example number 8. I advise read everyone that example 2-3 times. Read that example, everyone. See example number 8. I am going to explain this example. This is very important question for you. In this figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to E and D respectively. See, this is a triangle ABC, and its sides AB and AC are produced up to E and F. I think that sides of up to E and D, E and D respectively. Okay. E and D respectively. Got it? If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE, its bisector is BO, and BCD, its bisector is CO, meet at point O, then prove that this angle BOC, to prove angle BOC, this angle is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. 90 degree minus half of this angle BAC. Okay, we have to prove this. What is given here? Here given, what is given in triangle ABC, BO and CO are bisectors of angle CBE and angle BCD respectively. What is the work of bisector? Bisector of an angle bisects the angle into two equal parts. Means this angle bisects by BO means this angle is equal to half of angle B, and this angle is equal to half of angle exterior angle C. Okay, we have to prove this angle, this one is equal to 90 degree minus half of BAC. BAC is this one. See, I am going to prove this. See, this angle CBE will be equal to this one plus this one. Angle A plus angle C. Write the name. Angle 1. This is angle 2. Exterior angles. That is angle 3. So that is angle 1 plus angle 3. And this angle BCD, that is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. These two by exterior angles property of triangles. This is also by exterior, same reason, that is same reason. Okay, so what will be the half of angle CBE? That is half of angle 1 plus half of angle 3. Okay, and see, half of angle CBE, this is CBE, its half will be OBC. This OBC. So angle OBC is equal to half of angle 1 plus half of angle 3. That is first. Now, what is the BCD half? Half of angle BCD, that is equal to half of angle 1 plus half of angle 2. Okay, so half of BCD is what? इसका half क्या होगा? Because CO is the bisector, this one is its half, OCB. Angle OCB, that is equal to half of angle 1 plus half of angle 2. That is second one. Okay. Now consider triangle BOC. Triangle BOC. What is the sum of all its angle? Angle BOC, angle OBC and angle OCB. Their sum. Angle BOC plus angle OBC plus angle OCB, that is equal to 180 degree by angles sum property of triangles. Okay, see, now BOC we have to find out. Angle BOC plus what is OBC? See, first OBC is equal to half of angle 1 plus half of angle 3 plus this OCB. See, from second, half of angle 1 plus this is half of angle 2 and that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now see, angle BOC equal to plus half of angle 1 equals to I am going to rough this. I hope you have met this figure, so I am going to rough this also. So that will be equal to 180 degree minus. See, I am going to transfer this one and this one, and I remain in the left side BOC and half of angle 1, and all these three I will going to transfer this. So you can see half will be common in all these three steps, these three terms. So half will be common, and inside the bracket what we have, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay, so that will be equal to 180, that is BOC, plus half of angle 1, that is 180 minus half of this angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is what? You can see the figure. This is ABC, okay, and this angle is angle 1, this angle is angle 2, and this one is angle 3. Means angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are interior angles of the triangle. And what is the sum of interior angles of any triangle? That is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangles. That is 180 degree. Clearly that is equal to what? 180 minus this is 90 degree. Means this is 90 degree. And this one is BOC plus half of angle 1. And angle 1 is what? BAC. This is BAC. Means angle BOC plus half of angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Then what will be angle BOC? Clearly angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree minus half of angle BAC, which we want to prove. Okay, that's very important example for you. See carefully. Okay. Now I am going to solve exercise 6.3, questions of exercise 6.3 from NCERT. So read question number first of exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3, question number first. What is the question? Everyone read this question. In figure 6.39, the figure is here. That is this is the figure. It is given, that is P, this is Q, that is R, that is 135 degree, and this one is S, this is T, and this is 110 degree. And question is, in this figure QP, this QP and RQ are produced to S and T respectively. SPR is 135 and PQD is 110. Find PRQ. We want to find out this angle. To find angle PRQ, very easy. Find out this angle first. See its solution. What is the sum of this one and this one? They form linear pair. You can see they form linear pair. So their sum will be equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR plus PQT. Angle PQR plus angle PQT equal to 180 degree because they form linear pair. PQT is 110 degree. Okay. Plus angle PQR. Now angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. This angle will become 70 degree. Okay. We have to find out this angle. Now, in triangle PQR, you can see this QP is produced to us. So this angle is what for this triangle PQR? Exterior angle. Angle RPS is an exterior angle. So what is the exterior angle property of any triangle? That is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That is equal to exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So by exterior angle property of triangles, what we have? Angle RPS equal to angle PRS, this one PRQ, angle PRQ plus angle PQR, this one PQR. Now here PQR is now here PQR is 70 degree. PQR is 70 degree plus angle PRQ, that is equal to RPS. RPS is 135 degree. So from here angle PRQ equal to 135 minus 70, that is 65 degree. So that is the answer, 65 degree. Okay.